3 secret UI hacks to turn any UI into a god level UI. Rounded gradient borders. Now hear me out. This is a gradient, a gradual transition between colors or shades. We love it. This is a colored border. We also love it. These are rounded rectangles. We also love it. If you take a colored border, change the color of this border to a gradient, and then round off the edges, you end up with something that is so entirely awesome. We are sure it came from the future. Oversized serif typography. Hear me out again. This is text. This is a heading. This is a description. Now, if the heading is oversized and the description becomes a little bit smaller, and finally the oversized heading is set to a serif font like Playfair Display or Source Serif Pro, instant perfection vibes. Gradient skeleton screens. Hear me out for the final time. This is a skeleton screen. This is a gradient. We love them both. Use skeleton screen loaders to display a layout preview while the content loads, reducing perceived wait time. And then make sure the color of the skeleton screen is a gradient. Instant god level vibe moment. Alright, love you, bye.